Hey everybody, this is Pete with Owner Builders Unite, and today we're going to be talking about WOOFing and Earthships. Matt and I originally met at our friend Thomas and Debra's Earthship build in Crestone, Colorado that was listed on the WOOFing site. WOOFing stands for Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms, and likewise alternative builds are also listed on the WOOFing site as well, like Earthships. Matt and Goldie and I already purchased our land in Crestone, just a mile away from Thomas and Debra's build, so it was a great opportunity for us to volunteer and learn and meet our neighbors, and then just see kind of what it takes for us to start our builds the following year. Earthships are very labor intensive, and traditionally Michael Reynolds and Earthship Biotexture have used and still do use a lot of volunteer work, whether it's through the Earthship Academy or doing an internship at Earthship to get a lot of them build. Being a woofer or a host of a woofing farm parallels a lot of what Earthship Biotexture has done with providing educational opportunities for volunteers. Earthships can be very labor intensive, and in this short video you see a lot of the different woofers that stayed with Thomas and Debra and learned how to pound tires and learned about Earthships and how to build alternatively and how to build community. I would highly recommend for anyone that's interested in Earthships or volunteering on an Earthship build to check out the WOOFing site to see if there is any current ones. Nowadays you can also check other things, obviously social media, whether that be Facebook groups, Instagram, or YouTube channels like ours that highlight Earthships and alternative builds. You can also check out Earthship Biotexture's website, whether that's doing an internship like I did back in 2015, or whether that's like Thomas and Goldie that did the Earthship Academy. It's a great way to learn as well. I hope everybody enjoyed this short slideshow of pictures of Thomas and Debra's build. And yeah, just wanted to say woofing was an awesome experience for me back when I did it, and it can be an awesome experience for you too. Again, big shout out to Thomas and big shout out to Debra for being such great hosts and now being such great friends and neighbors. Love you guys. Couldn't do it without you. Like and subscribe for more videos. Owner Builders Unite.